Basically, I started getting involved in music when I was about 16, became a professional musician, went all over the world, worked on the cruise ships, did all that stuff. Going away all the time, you lose contact with what goes on, So I decided, okay, what could I do to get involved with being able to stay home and do some good stuff. I just had an epiphany one night. I thought, okay, and I don't know why, I just thought it's time to put some stuff back into the community. 3G's Arts and Media Group was set up with the help of Gwyn, myself and another adult, Suzanne Foley. We set the group up to help families and young people around the arts and performing arts and music. The group has been really successful, raising over £100,000 for the group and other different charities. They've also won the Queen's Award for voluntary service. Gwyn, myself and Suzanne have been up to Buckingham Palace, and it's one of the highest awards you can receive. A lot of the young people I work with are single parents, and so they come and support their children, so they get to learn as well. I think a lot of them don't know the help that's out there to do it, and I think maybe that could be addressed a bit. Don't ever think you're too old to start learning, Congratulations, Gwyn. Thank you for all your hard work. From myself and the community, thank you very much. I'll be honest, I thought, what have I won an award for? I know I deserve it, but what have I won it for? No, seriously. I had a phone call and Lee Davis phoned me up and I said, Lee, is this a joke? He said, no, honestly. He said, I'm serious. In fact, twice. I said, Lee, it's a wind-up. He said, no, you've won an award. I said, fantastic. What's it for? And he said, as a volunteer tutor. So, thank you very much. I appreciate it, really appreciate it. Goes with the OBE.